Have you ever wanted to check out some nice Beatz music that you can use in your YouTube videos and videos in general? Well, here, come over here and check out my brother's Beatz music page. The link will be down in the description below. Let's get to it.
But since I came into the game, I've been going harder in the paint.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. In today's video, we're going to talk about nice quality Beatz music that you can use for your YouTube videos or in videos in general, or if you're a recording artist and you need music beats. Here, come over here, check out my brother's Beatz website called G.E.P. Beatz. Links down in the description box below. But in the meantime, if you're new here and you like this type of videos, subscribe if you're new. And you need some beats, we're gonna check them out. But let's go ahead and check it out right here. I'll show you his website, show you his Twitter where you can follow him, and I show you his Instagram so you can follow him on all his social medias. Hit him up if you need any quality beats or anything like that, especially if you want to use some music and you want to know where I get my music from that I use in my YouTube videos. So follow me onto this website. Let's get it. Here we are right now on my brother's G.E.P. Beatz music website, where he be mixing all his beats, makes all custom high quality beats. Any beats that you need, you can always hit him up. He does respond right away. Use them, if you are an artist, you need beats, you want to use them for a song, or just want to use them in your YouTube videos in general, or because most of all the music that I use is from my brother right here. So here it is, G.E.P. Beatz Music Production. This is the home page. The link to this page will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out under G.E.P. Beatz. Also, his Twitter and Instagram will be down there too. But check it out. Here's when you click onto this page, you got the home page, you got the beats, caution high quality beats. They do have the prices for each one. It gives you a little 30-second click if you want to pay for whatever beat that you want. And he has tons of beats. Just the ones that are on his website, that's not even all his beats, but he does have tons of beats. So anything that you want to hear, you just click on it. And you can contact him directly. You can pay through the website. Hey, and you don't even have to worry about no monthly subscription, because once you pay for the beat, it's basically yours and you own it, and you can use it every time you want to. But I can play a little sample for you guys. But check out his website. He does have Twitter, Instagram, so you can read the little contract and everything. Check out, the leasing rights and all that and everything. If you need to contact him, he has the contact information right here. Put your email in there. He'll get back to you as soon as possible. Best believe that. You don't have to worry about nothing else. You want to follow him on Instagram, which the link will be down in the description below. Here's his Instagram. Go ahead and check him out, G.E.P. Beatz. Go ahead and give him a follow. He posts every single day. If you are an artist and you want some studio recording time, follow him on his Instagram. You can also book that too. He does have his own recording studio. He mixes and masters, also own engineer. So contact him if you need any of that. Basically, contact him if you need anything, like you want to record some music. He can mix and master. He can do it. Even if you're in another state, just send him your music. He can mix it and master for you. But it's not gonna be for free. But he can still mix and master, engineer all that for it, make it sound good, make it sound how you really want it. So give him a call, G.E.P. Beatz. Follow him on Instagram. Here it is right here, G.E.P. Beatz Music. Follow him on Instagram. Hit him up, send him a DM. He does respond right away. Great quality music. This is all the music that I use in my YouTube videos all the time. So check him out. And if you don't have Instagram, but you do got Twitter, he is on Twitter. So go ahead and follow him on Twitter. Hit him up. He always posting music, beats, and studio every time. He works real good, so he's on the go all the time. So he can make beats all the time, anytime you want them. So you don't have to worry about that. You can always get music. He has high quality beats, high quality music. Great guy. So just check him out, follow him, hit him up. Tell him I sent you. Tell him Crayton TV sent you, and you might be able to get a little discount. You feel me? But in that, so I hope you guys check him out. Tell me what you think. Give him a follow. He has his own recording studio. Like I said, if you need studio time, need some beats, just want some music just to put in your videos, go ahead and check out G.E.P. Beatz. The links will be down in the description box below. So go ahead and check that down below. But if you did enjoy this video, like this video, subscribe if you're new. Now you know where to get your music from if you ever need some beats or anything other than that. But other than that, this is your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV, and I'm signing out of here. Peace. G.E.P. Beatz Music. Go ahead and check him out. Follow him on Instagram. Follow him on Twitter. Also, follow me on my social medias because those will all be down in the links below. Peace, everybody. I'm gone.